Okay, what's up? Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Azure DevOps to Orchestra, and yeah, let's get straight to it. So, first thing you'll need to do is obviously have a repo with some stuff in it, and then after you've done that, the next thing you need to do is make sure that you've got a service principal set up in Azure that has access to your Azure DevOps space. So here we can see I've got my organization name, which will probably be sort of like in your URL in DevOps, and then tenant ID, and client secret. So I'm going to go ahead and connect that now. Awesome. So now the organization is connected, the next thing you have to do to enable user level commits is go into profile, and then we're going to connect our user. This is going to redirect you here. You need to make sure that your user has access to do this, otherwise this will fail. And we're back. That was easy. Cool. So let's build a pipeline. So I'm going to create a new pipeline. I'm going to select Azure DevOps here. We're going to use Coalesce for this example. So I'm going to call it Coalesce demo. The next thing you need to do is fetch your project and repo name. So in this case, my repo name is going to be Orchestra Dev, and the project is also Orchestra Dev. So let's try that. And then the path, so I've got a folder called Orchestra, and I'm going to call this one the Coalesce demo.yaml. The default branch is going to have to be main or master. So in this case, I can see we've got main, so I'm going to go main, and then I'm going to create a new branch called Dev Hugo. Nice. So let's run our Coalesce pipeline here. I'm going to go ahead and select our environment ID. You don't have to pick the connection, but if you had multiple, you can do that here. All right. Now we've got our first node. So when you click save, this is essentially going to push to that branch in DevOps. And now if I have a look, I can see I've got this Dev Hugo branch, and it's also mine. So let's create a pull request. You can see that Orchestra has added some stuff, and we don't have any CI flows set up here yet, but if you wanted to, you could go ahead and complete this. Cool. So now if I go back to my repos and head over to Orchestra, I can see we've got this Coalesce demo.yaml file. That looks kind of familiar. So now if I go back to main, we'll see we have this. And that's really it. Pretty straightforward. In a future video, I'll show you how you can set up CI/CD actions in Orchestra. But yeah, I'll drop some helpful links in the comments, and let us know if you've got any questions.